Go, yeah. Fatuma.
Science.
What?
Hi everyone, welcome to this video today. Today I'm gonna explain science.
Okay.
So, you know how those flowers grow? People just buy seeds to make plants grow. But sometimes, if they don't have seeds, they can just use the seeds from the food. Or do you find a flower that still have the seeds inside? Or maybe I don't know if this works or no. I don't still test it. Maybe you cut a fruit and then you bury it under the sand and then you water it and then maybe it's gonna grow or no. I don't know, but let's try it.
And then?
And then if you probably know how to, if you want to make your plants grow so big, don't just make a science in the lab that can make it as big very quickly. You have to wait. Maybe it's gonna infect the food to have bad taste and be poison. Maybe you mix poison to make it grow. Maybe it's gonna be bad for you. You cannot waste your life, because your life is only for your heart to stay alive. But you cannot do anything for the food. You only have, sometimes you can go to the market, you can grow, you can ask for Baba to give you money, and then you go to the shopping. Don't just cry there. Come on, let's be creative. So, you know, like every
Ang nana sabi baka
one
sa
don't
nana ang
even
sin. Ano
know
sabi man sa nana ang
what is
sin?
the weirdest thing?
Pero ano
Aliens,
panalo?
they're not weird because they have a name. Like only the one. Like even they, like in the school, they didn't even put aliens in the book because they look weird for the people, but instead some people don't even think they're weird, because sometimes alien could be hypnotizing people and sometimes each of them don't want, and each of them are good. So make sure to subscribe and click the I button and ring the bell. Bye.
Bye-bye.